Hey everyone, really quick, I want to show you this. We have an oscilloscope over here. I'll give you a close-up on 3 meters. They go to these 3 ferrite cores. This is just a piece of plastic to hold the coil up. We got a bank of LEDs here. Each panel takes 97 volts, 1 amp to light. There's 4 panels. We got this cap bank hooked up here, but we might as well not, and I'll show you why. It doesn't even affect the system. Here's our in and out watt meter. Comes directly from the battery and goes to the circuit. The circuits run backwards. We've gotten into that in a previous video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the system on. You're going to see voltage in there. You'll see this LED bank turn on. It comes from the back end of the circuit, and you'll see how many watts it takes to do that, as well as the oscilloscope. That's not the cool part. The cool part's when I shut it off and turn it into resonance. Alright, so here we go. We're going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the light's on. I just pressed it, right? So here's what we got. The oscilloscope is showing in the negative at 32 volts per pulse. Or, sorry, peak to peak. And 0 hertz. Interesting. I'm pulsing it with 1,000 hertz square wave. I don't know if it picked that up. 15% duty cycle. This here, 5 volts on one, 3 on the other, 538 on the other. And as you can see, the LED bank's lit about 75%. And we're doing all that. Oh, not to mention this neon, which takes 90 volts to light, is running off the secondary of this coil. I'm only pulsing the primary for all of this, okay? So as you can see, the watt meter reads about 12 watts. So I'm using 12 watts to run all of this. Alright? So the cool part is when I shut this off. Watch. I'm going to turn it off in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it didn't go into resonance. Let's try that again. Okay, so now it's on again. Okay, let's shut it off. Alright, so you see I shut it off. The function generator is not pulsing. Check out the scope. 23 volts peak to peak, and it's going nuts. Look at the voltage. I got 9.5 volts there. Almost 7 volts there, 9 volts there, and my LED bank's just booming. But check out the watts. 0.6 watts. And as before, you could see that the voltage on the battery is 12.44. Isn't that insane? Oh, and the neon is partially lit. And the function generator is not running. This is in resonance, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the frequency. It's at 0. Alright. Thank you for your time. I hope you all have a great day.